welcome to Garden Art Corner, your ultimate destination for creative garden decor and inspiring outdoor craft ideas. Today, we are diving into 6 stunning garden decor DIY project inspirations using budget-friendly reclaimed wooden pallets. You will learn how simple wood crafts can transform ordinary outdoor spaces into captivating botanical sanctuaries. If you love rustic backyard makeovers, please take a moment to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel right now. Transforming discarded wooden pallets into elevated planter pedestals gives your backyard garden a delightful vertical dimension. You can easily dismantle the pallet boards and reassemble them into a sturdy square riser for your favorite flowers. Placing your colorful blooms atop a wooden pedestal creates an instant focal point near any outdoor wall or entrance. It is a fantastic way to give old lumber a beautiful second life while elevating your potted plants. Sanding down the reclaimed wood reveals natural textures that look gorgeous against lush green foliage and vibrant petals. You can leave the timber raw for an authentic farmhouse vibe or apply a weather-resistant stain for durability. Elevating your planters off the ground also protects sensitive roots from crawling backyard pests and excessive soil dampness. This simple weekend project adds structure, charm, and character to even the smallest patio setup. Customizing the height of your pallet pedestal allows you to experiment with layered plant arrangements along your garden pathway. Staggering 2 or 3 pedestals creates a striking multi-level floral display that captivates every visitor. You can also mount small solar lantern accents to the wooden sides to illuminate your garden during evening hours. Reclaimed wood pedestals are both practical and visually appealing for any passionate home gardener. Defining your flower beds with a reclaimed pallet garden border instantly brings clean structure and rustic charm to your yard. Cutting pallet slats into uniform wooden stakes provides an eco-friendly edging solution that keeps mulch neatly contained. Installing these natural wood borders along your garden wall creates a clear separation between lush turf and manicured soil. It is an affordable landscaping technique that enhances the natural aesthetic of your outdoor living space. You can arrange the wooden slats vertically or horizontally, depending on the design style you prefer for your flower beds. Treating the wood with an eco-friendly sealant ensures your border remains sturdy through heavy rains and seasonal changes. Adding a coat of crisp white paint or dark walnut stain can completely change the mood of your backyard landscape. This practical divider also helps prevent aggressive lawn grass from creeping into your sensitive vegetable beds. Interlocking the wooden pieces tightly creates a seamless perimeter that frames your colorful garden plants effortlessly. You can line the inside edge with landscape fabric to prevent weed growth and retain soil moisture effectively. Combining this rustic border with gravel path accents adds rich texture to your home facade backdrop. Building a custom pallet edging system is a satisfying DIY task that elevates your entire garden layout. Creating a cozy coffee table nook with stacked wooden pallets turns an unused garden corner into a relaxing retreat. Stacking 2 pallets together creates the perfect height for an outdoor table where you can enjoy morning coffee. Nestling this handmade coffee table against the decorative garden fence provides a warm and welcoming seating environment. It allows you to entertain guests, surrounded by blooming flowers and fresh outdoor air. Adding caster wheels to the bottom of the pallet table makes it effortlessly mobile across your patio or lawn surface. You can fill the open inner compartments of the pallet with books, outdoor cushions, or small potted herbs. Painting the table in soft neutral shades complements the natural greenery and surrounding architectural elements of your home. Top the wooden surface with a sheet of tempered glass for a sleek, smooth, and easy-to-clean finish. Surround your new coffee table with comfortable outdoor chairs or matching pallet benches to complete the cozy nook layout. Hanging string lights above the seating area creates a magical ambiance for late-night conversations under the stars. The natural grain of reclaimed wood blends harmoniously with climbing vines and leafy garden backdrop walls. This versatile furniture piece quickly becomes the heart of your outdoor relaxation and social gatherings. A climbing vines trellis made from reclaimed pallets offers functional support for growing ivy, jasmine, and flowering creepers. Securing an upright pallet frame against a garden wall encourages vertical growth while maximizing limited ground space. The wooden slats provide sturdy anchor points for tendrils to wrap around as they climb toward the sunlight. This vertical greening technique transforms plain exterior walls into breathtaking living tapestries of colorful foliage. You can secure the pallet frame to your home facade to mask bare concrete or siding with lush natural beauty. Before mounting, ensure the wood is thoroughly treated to withstand constant moisture from growing plants and rainfall. Spacing the slats allows adequate airflow and sunlight penetration for healthy leaf development across the entire trellis. It serves as both a practical plant support system and a stunning architectural garden feature. Adding small hanging pots between the trellis slats increases your planting surface for fragrant herbs and cascading blooms. As the climbing vines mature, they create a dense, natural thermal barrier that helps keep nearby walls cool. You can customize the trellis dimensions by attaching multiple pallets together to cover larger outdoor wall sections. It is a brilliant way to introduce dramatic vertical interest into your backyard garden design. A succulent planter shelf crafted from a reclaimed pallet is the ultimate space-saving solution for plant collectors. By attaching narrow wooden troughs to the front slats, you create multiple tiered shelves for displaying miniature plants. Hanging this compact vertical shelf on a garden wall keeps your delicate succulents organized and beautifully displayed. It brings vibrant colors and unique plant textures right to eye level along your home facade. Succulents thrive in well-draining soil, making the individual shallow compartments of a pallet shelf ideal for their growth needs. You can paint each shelf tier in contrasting colors to make your vibrant plant collection pop against the wood background. The sturdy wooden construction shelters smaller pots from harsh winds while allowing maximum sunlight exposure. It is an organized and aesthetically pleasing display that brings modern artistic style to your garden. Arranging a variety of echeveриas, sedums, and trailing string of pearls creates a fascinating mosaic of geometric plant shapes. You can easily swap out individual small pots whenever you want to change your outdoor decorative arrangement. Mounting the unit near an outdoor seating area allows you to admire the intricate details of your succulents up close. This compact DIY pallet shelf proves that you do not need a huge yard to grow a gorgeous botanical collection. Building a trendy garden fence from reclaimed wooden pallets provides privacy, safety, and undeniable modern rustic character. Fastening whole pallets end-to-end creates a solid boundary that gracefully frames your lawn and decorative plant beds. Positioning this stylish fence adjacent to your home facade enhances curb appeal while defining your property boundaries clearly. It is an affordable alternative to traditional fencing that brings warmth and sustainable style to your yard. You can cap the top of the pallet fence with long timber boards to create a smooth, polished ledge for outdoor lighting. Planting tall ornamental grasses or flowering shrubs along the base softens the fence line and blends it seamlessly into nature. Staining the wood in rich teak or charcoal tones gives your backyard an expensive, custom designer appearance on a budget. This sturdy barrier successfully protects your tender garden beds from stray pets and heavy wind gusts. Reclaimed pallet projects offer limitless opportunities to express your personal garden creativity while embracing eco-friendly crafting methods. We hope these 6 incredible DIY pallet ideas inspire you to transform your outdoor living space this season. Please tell us your favorite project in the comments, like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to Garden Art Corner for more garden art inspiration. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in our next creative video.